Hello, welcome. My name is Mo Bluntz. Today is our 10th episode of Mo Cooks. I can't believe it. We've been inside this song for me to make 10 episodes of this weird YouTube show. I want to make more. I'm going to take some time off after this to reformat, so in a way you can call this the end of season 1 of Mo Cooks and Mo Drinks. So I'm going to pull out all the stops. Tomorrow is my girlfriend's birthday, and she is the boss. So she showed me a picture of this dessert that she wanted, and I've never made this before. I've never made anything even close to it. But she gets what she wants, so I'm going to make it. So today, I'm going to get this, Fruity Pebble cream cheese tacos. I'm going to repeat that. Fruity Pebble cream cheese tacos. And I got everything right here. So, sit back, relax, take some notes if you want to, and enjoy this, the 10th episode of Mo Cooks. So the recipe today calls for the following. We need some mini marshmallows. Of course, we need our main ingredient, the Fruity Pebbles. We're gonna need some melted cream cheese and some melted butter. We're gonna need a gelatin packet, some confectioner's sugar, some vanilla extract, and not shown here, some water. I'm going to start by melting my butter here. Then I'm going to measure out 2 cups of my mini marshmallows. Once my butter is all melted, I'm going to dump those marshmallows in. Get these melted as well. I'm going to start pouring in my Fruity Pebbles. We're going to pour in 4 cups of Fruity Pebbles, mix it together really, really, really well. This is a real thing I'm doing. I'm cooking Fruity Pebbles and marshmallows together. Alright, I'm going to turn off my heat. Make sure these are mixed together really, 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 really well here. Now, I'm going to move over. I've got a circular cake pan here. I've got a circular cake pan here that I've lined with parchment paper. I'm going to put half of my mixture in here. Press down. And we begin to make our shell. Circular shell shape. I'm gonna grab a muffin pan and take my newly formed shell. Still a bit warm here. So as it cools, I'm gonna let it cool down in the pan. Add 8 ounces of cream cheese. Cup of powdered sugar. An entire tablespoon vanilla extract. 1 whole envelope of gelatin. And a 1/4 cup of water. We're gonna mix that all together. Nice and thorough. All right, like I said, this is my first time doing this, pulling out all the stops. So I realized halfway through that whisking it maybe not be the best idea, so I just threw it in the food processor and I got a nice creamy cream cheese, which is what I'm going for. That is delicious. I just washed my hands. Make sure you always wash your hands when you touch food. All right, so I'm gonna get this filling in my tacos and we're gonna finish with a little bit of garnish, and then we're done. I'm gonna refrigerate and then sing happy birthday. So for my garnish, I'm gonna take some Fruity Pebbles and I'm just gonna crush them up. Sprinkle them over top. Not a whole lot, you know. And then just a little bit of a coconut flake. Wow. Okay, so I got the tacos in the fridge. Next step is just letting them cool down for a couple hours, putting some candles in it, singing happy birthday, and then we're gonna give it a shot, see how it tastes. We have our cheesecake, our Fruity Pebble cheesecake taco here, and here is my totally real girlfriend. Happy birthday, honey. You get to try it first. Great. Good. Yeah, it was good. And it held together well. Here's the cat. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Mo Cooks. This is episode number 10. I'm gonna take a couple weeks away from YouTube. Please hit like and subscribe. Pass it along to your friends. Share it if you can. Join me on the next episode of Mo Cooks.